Hey traders, Joe Bright here from MaximumLots.com, and this is the weekly supply and demand Forex outlook for the week beginning 4th of December 2016. So we've got AJ on the daily here, Aussie Yen, and as you can see, price is heading ever closer to this supply level. Now, as I said before, price has been around here before, so we may not see a move away, but we'll be monitoring just to see what happens anyway. So we do have this pause in price on the way back up. We've got this rally, a little bit of a pullback, and price is starting to head up again, and the candles are getting smaller, which is often a sign of a reversal, but it could be a sign that price is just loading up to then engulf this level. So we'll be watching for either eventuality. So if price engulfs this, then we could have a move up, and the next major turning point isn't until much higher. Or if it does reverse, then obviously we've got turning point around here. Below that, nothing until down here as well. So we'll just have to monitor PA, see what happens. This is the situation on AJ at the moment. Now moving on, let's look at EG. Okay, so this is EG on a daily, euro pound. Now we actually short this pair in the members area from up in this zone. After this rejection, we are watching for an opportunity and we saw confirmation, so we took that trade. And we took that trade from up here all the way down to around here somewhere. So we had a nice decent profit on that. Now it's heading down to this demand level. Now you can see the rally that it had last time it was here. It rallied very strong indeed. Now price is heading back down to it. We are either going to see a similar reaction or we're going to see an engulf. Often when price comes to key area, obviously just one or two things are going to happen. It's going to hold or it's going to trade straight through. So if we get a bounce, then we could see longs back up. Failing that, if this level is engulfed, if you look to the left, there's nothing but this large green candle till about here, which means that price could slide all the way through. So on an engulf, then we'll be looking at shorts down through this area. So we shall see what happens. We're just a few pips away. Let's have a look. Yeah, we're just about 30 pips away from the demand, and we're about 160 odd pips away from an engulf. That would signal a potential short. We'd have to see how price engulfed and watch for confirmation as always. Okay, now let's move along. Let's look at GJ, pound yen. Okay, so we've got this this engulf. We had this last week. I mentioned how price had engulfed this significant supply level. It sent price much lower last time it was hit. It engulfed it, and I was looking at this area around here as there was a large rejection. So I said that price would need to engulf that, and it did that last week. Now, as you can see, there's not much to stop price for a good distance. We do have a bit of SR here, but that's all been tested. So this pair could go a lot higher. As you can see, there's not much to stop price, and there's a bit of a profit zone over here. So this pair for me is looking bullish. Now price could just rally from where it is, but we better mark this demand level on, as it's as it's pretty clear to me. So we've had that engulf, that pullback. There's demand. Price might want to drop back down here before launching higher, or it may just rally from where it is. So we'll be looking for for either or on this one. Okay, now let's stick with the pound. Let's look at GU. Okay, so we had price just touch this level a while ago, retrace, and then price is launched higher, and it's getting deeper into this zone. As I mentioned on other pairs this week, this could reverse, although it has got a lot deeper into the zone, and we're just a few pips away from the distal line. So if I put my cursor there, yeah, so it will only take 40 pips for this level to be engulfed, and then we could see it push higher. So the market could well just gap above the supply, which would invalidate it. So we shall see what happens when the market opens. So these are the main pairs that I'm watching on the daily for this week. So until next time, happy trading, guys.